All right, so we are in Harrah's and we're going to take a ride out to the rideshare. It's a kind of a confusing one, so bear with us as we go. I'm going to point out the important parts, and it does get a little confusing once we get out to the rideshare area. So right now we are right by the 7 Stars bar, I believe it's called. Let's check this sign right here. 7 Stars Social. So that is where we're going to start this from. Now we're going to walk back towards the lobby area, back towards their food court, things like that. So let's go. It's a nice, easy pathway to walk right here. So right here, this is the Fulton Street Food Hall. They have a cafe, Bobby's Burgers, Pin Up, this bar right here, the Chicken Guy, and the nice little cafe at the end. Now, it's a little bit pricey. I find this to be one of the pricier food halls, food courts, whatever you want to call it, food hall. The coffee's a little bit expensive for just a regular drip. So these escalators right here, they are for the monorail, the pool, and the convention area over at Caesars Forums. So we're going to walk right past them into the lobby area, which they have a lobby bar and they have a Starbucks over here also. This is actually a kind of a nice little lobby bar. Now, the lobby, the check-in desk and everything is right over to our right here. So, got some people checking in a little late tonight. They got the essentials store, little souvenir shop. Now, we're going to be going out here. You'll see a sign, rideshare, bus tour lobby, belt desk. We're going to walk through these doors here and check out the rideshare. This is where you would get a taxi. So if you're looking for a taxi, it's right out these doors, and they have the taxi and limo service line right here. So we're going to walk past that. You're going to see a big sign over here at the end of the walkway that says Bus Departures Rideshare Pickup Zone. Now this is where it got confusing for me. So I don't want to see you guys make this same mistake, right? You'll see it just as soon as we cross the street here. Now it says rideshare pickup zone that way, but if you look right in front of us, and I don't know if we can really see it that well, so we're going to walk over to it. Where the buses pick people up, there's actual wallpaper that says Uber and benches to sit on right here. So you would think this is the rideshare area, right? But it's not, right? So don't make the mistake that I made and come over here. This is where the tour buses will pick you up. But you can clearly see it says Uber. So it's a little bit really confusing. So we're going to walk back up this way. And where you saw the sign that had the arrow pointing to the left, that's where the rideshare is. And this is actually the rideshare area here. So if you start making the mistake that I made, you can get to the rideshare area right over here too. You see they're picking people up. It's right across the road from the Venetian parking garage. So, take you back out front here and show you the proper way to get there. So when you cross this street here, this is where that big rideshare pickup zone. You're just gonna walk right along the sidewalk. And it's right next to the dog area, right? This is where people would, if you have your dogs, you would bring your dog out here. And this is the dog relief area and the rideshare pickup area. So, ready? All right, so that is another rideshare video for you. If you find these videos helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Share this out to any of your friends that are coming to Vegas on a trip, going to be staying at Harrah's, or maybe just need to find their way around Harrah's. See you on the next one.